If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Ex text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another goddamn banger video, man.
Sway Media Vlogs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When I told you it was around the corner, Sway, look, it's literally right there. That golden KP.
That's it?
Yep.
That's Chinese, nigga. You went to a Chinese restaurant.
That's not, it's not, look, it says right there. You see where it says taco? Taqueria?
Oh, Bunder. Oh.
Yeah.
I finna say you went to a Chinese restaurant for Mexican food. That shit was fire, though.
It was fire.
Most definitely fire. Oh, man. But you see Shay Sway's back. Y'all think y'all haven't seen Shay Sway in the...
Shade Sway, huh?
Shay, yeah. Y'all haven't seen Shay Sway in a long time. But I am back. I'm back from Arizona. I have to pay the cop ticket. You going there?
Yep.
Oh, shit, damn. Well, yeah, but we just left King's Tire and Wheel, damn it. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, we just left King's Tire and Wheel going, well, shit, around the corner to get some Mexican food. But, yeah, this video, I see by the title and thumbnail, I've been meaning to make this video for 2 days.
Sponsored by and brought to you by Tall Guy Car Reviews.
Yep, so, first link in the description. Go to tallguycarreviews.com, shop your merch now. You got the oceanic blue outfit. You got the goddamn you got the cherry red outfit. You got the fucking you got lots, goddamn. You got the neon green. You got fucking whatever you need. The only thing's missing is orange one. It's October, so stay tuned. I should be making some orange ones for my car.
It's only right, huh?
It's only right, man.
Just for your car, huh?
Yeah, and all proceeds go to me. So go do that, man. Yeah, go first link in the description. I'm probably forget, but first link in the description. TallGuyCarReviews.com. This is a sponsored, non-sponsored, but sponsored post. But sponsored post, I get paid for it anyway, so might as well goddamn promote it. Fuck it, why not, man? But
you hungry, brother?
Yeah, there's a little bit.
Let me get you the same thing you had last time.
Yes, please.
All right, I got you. Appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir. I'm recording again now.
You want those nachos again?
Yeah.
Okay, got you.
Nachos fire. Thank you. All right. Wow, he is here getting the food for us. I am going to set my camera up 1 second, and we gonna do a little mukbang for a sec, because I do have food right here already, but we gonna get more food, because why the fuck not? I hope y'all can hear me. I don't know, some nigga on the bike over there. It's a little sketchy. We not in the hood, but we gotta be safe out here. By all means necessary. But this time, you see the title thumbnail though. I was gonna use the title. So you want to be an entrepreneur or a filmmaker or photographer. That's what we're gonna talk about today. Cause why the fuck not? I was just gonna film the videos, man. I'm gonna film whatever, man. I took a 2-week break, and I seen how much my revenue is gonna be for this month for YouTube, and I said, hell nah, nah, fuck that. So yeah. I try to take a good little 2-week break, just fucking relax, go focus on traveling, filming, shit like that. But yeah, I seen my YouTube revenue for this month of October, and I was not having it, because no, I refuse to let that happen. But shit, whoa, I'm gonna die. Man, first thing I'm talking about. So the first question for y'all, cause I get a lot of DMs of people saying, How does it feel to be doing this, traveling, doing all that? Is it hard? They ask me. I get asked a million questions every fucking day, but I like the questions though because I like interacting with you guys as well. So and for all the trolls that comment on my YouTube channel, I have a problem, and I tend to troll back, so that's a problem. But I'm getting sidetracked now. But I was gonna say, for the main question, is it hard? Like the travel. Just pick a camera, travel, fucking film cars, film people. I've been around actors, rappers. I've been around people that have touched hundreds of millions of dollars. So I've been around a wide variety. So I can give y'all a good like perspective. But it is most definitely hard. It's like, because mind you, I started off doing photography in 2016. I was 16 years old, mind you. I'm 22 now. So started off doing photography in 2016. Got tired of it after like 3 months. Stopped. 6 months later, I picked up the camera again. Started doing this. 2017 now, doing the same things. I was mainly focusing on models, only shooting portraits, not even thinking about cars, even though I was in cars my whole life. Then I bought. It's probably like my 5th camera by now. Now I liked filming because I seen video was like, to me it felt fun. So bought a camera that was pretty good. Video, it was trash as fuck. But for me at the time, my budget, it was a pretty solid entry level video camera that was also good for pictures. So I started filming cars, and then I seen it was good. So mind you, at the time I'm like 18 years old. I'm working at Best Buy right now, slaving. I am slaving my ass off for a white man. I'm not racist, my grandma white, but I'm slaving for a white man as a nigga. No, I'm not doing that. Slavery. My great grandfather died for the goddamn slavery, so I'm not slaving no more. So I realized that when I was 18 years old, I was making the same amount of money as I was doing slaving all fucking day at Best Buy as I was taking photos of people in cars every day. So Labor Day of 2019, I was the only one in my area because I used to sell TVs in Best Buy. I was the only one in the morning. I opened up for my shift. I got bored. I was like, man, you know what? Fuck Best Buy. And I walked back to the manager. I don't want to say the names, but the manager was low-key. He was cool, but goddamn, every manager besides Marvin at Best Buy I did not fuck with. No managers. And I was the only nigga there besides Diamond. So I went to my manager office. I told him, hey man, look, today could be my last day. After that, I don't know what else I told him, but I told him, yeah, it's my last day. I'm not working tomorrow. I'm not coming in tomorrow. I'm not putting no 2 weeks, no nothing. To take my last day, I said, fuck that. I'm not, even though you're supposed to put in 2 weeks, do that, man, do that. Put in the 2 weeks. But I didn't do that. I said, fuck Best Buy. I'm about to pursue my dreams. Mind you, I had a car note. I had shit to go take care of, so I had a plan, but I was gonna wing it. So I quit, left Best Buy the same day. I ain't thinking about coming back ever since. The route I chose, I love it. I would never like think back of going back or anything like that. I love it. But that's where the so do you want to be entrepreneur question starts for y'all, man. Because look, ever since I quit Best Buy, I promise you, from 19 years old to 22 years old now, I have worked more hours being my own boss, being an entrepreneur, than I've ever worked at Best Buy. Doing what I do, because currently right now, obviously I work for Tall Guy, I work with him, do all that, but I'm my own boss. I can make my own like schedule. I can do wherever I can do whatever the fuck I want. I can do whatever. But it comes at a price though, because in order to achieve where I want to achieve, I have to make a lot of sacrifices. So I made a lot of sacrifices. I done missed families' birthday parties. I done missed holidays with my family. Hey man, look, I spent my birthday, I spent my 21st birthday in South Carolina, I think. Yeah, so I wasn't even at home. So like, you're one thing that a lot of people need to realize, you're gonna sacrifice shit you wouldn't want to sacrifice. Because who wants to miss like their grandma's birthday? Because you never know if it's gonna be their last birthday. You never know. But it's what you got to do. I done lost a shit ton of friends. I only have like 5, 6 like homies slash like homegirls I really like to fuck with. I got Cam. I've known him since fucking we was like 5, 6. We 22 now. He's full on UFC fighter, so shout out to him. And then I got Cuban. I got Jesse. I got Daniel. I got Ashley. I could, like, my real friends, the people who I can actually like fuck with, I can name on 10 fingers, like max. That's like max. So yeah, and but the thing is, why, I don't know, it is crazy as fuck. So those I had a shit ton of friends in high school, lost them all in college, lost them all, don't follow them or nothing. So I lost a lot of friends. But the grind though, nobody understands the real grind it takes. You gonna work from sun up to sundown, overtime. Every day is overtime. So technically I've been working overtime 50 days in a row right now. I'm 50 days in overtime. But that's what you gotta do, because if you wanna live the boss lifestyle that you see a lot of like NBA players, the big YouTubers, if you wanna live how they live, you gotta think, how did they get there? They ain't just blow up and just make one video and think, oh, this one video is gonna last me eternity. Hell nah. For instance, me and goddamn Slim. Look, we don't sleep. We like dead ass don't sleep. We are on the road 24/7. How does it feel to do YouTube? Yeah, I do like talking to y'all, but 2 weeks I ain't picked camera, I ain't gonna lie. It was good, but I sacrificed money by not doing my job, by picking up a camera and vlogging. So that's why it's like, being YouTubers is not like, even if I probably had 1 million subscribers made and got like 500,000 views a video, you pretty much like can't miss a video, because if the revenue gonna drop, and then that's gonna put you in a low-key depressive mood, to where it's like, damn, like I shouldn't have gotten comfortable. I should have done that. I should have just like kept trying to pick a camera and just fucking vlog. Cause now look at me. I'm not depressed. I'm not depressed. But being a YouTuber and doing like, I would say doing YouTube, but doing social media alone. A lot of people stop doing YouTube because it's crazy. It's tough because you're worried about the people doing the bad comments, the trolls, thinking that like the video put up, the people might not like it. Look, one thing I realized, look, if the people gonna watch, the people gonna watch. The people ain't gonna watch, they ain't gonna watch. I appreciate everybody, all the trolls. I appreciate all the good people. I appreciate everybody that watch my videos, who's genuine. I appreciate all the real supporters that have been fucking me ever since I had 500 subscribers a year ago. Now I'm at 22.7. So give me the goddamn 23,000 subscribers, please. That's 23,000. That's a lot now. So get me to 23,000 subscribers, please. Do that. Like, comment, subscribe. Shop One Up Lighting and get your interior, exterior, whatever you need lighting. Stay tuned for my underglow install video that's coming soon. I'll probably go to Kingswood Tire and fuck with Socko for that, or I'm gonna probably do it myself. Trial and error. I ain't never installed underglow or anything. It might be fun for me, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably do it myself. It's gonna be hard to film myself, so I'm probably just end up going here to Kingswood Tire. I'm out. Catch y'all in the next video.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave.